Okay, this is Potsdamer Platz.
Parce qu'on n'est pas non plus
See all the glass buildings? There's the Berlin Wall. Want to put your gum in there? You want to put your gum in there?
Ja, weil ich hab jetzt ich hatte damals diese Körper, das ist wahrscheinlich denke.
Die Damen mit dem Bezauber sind auch noch da. Schön, dass sie da sind. So, gerade Leute, die schon herbstlich gekleidet sind.
So there's the blimp. It's now up in the air.
I don't have a different target. Just when you join, right? Super frustrated, right? And but the insect of your life. Yeah. So that. So you are very restrictly.
It's a beer garden. See that? Beer garden. Ooh, they have tornado potatoes. Ooh, they have the sausages. Harry, there's the beer right there. Look at Pikachu. There's Pikachu. There's the blimp. Look, there's like this tube or pipe. Look at those cool buildings right there. It's all made of glass. Pizza. Oh, here's the beer. Why are they so expensive? There's a train selling candies. Look at this. It looks nice too. There's Five Guys. It's the same temperature like year round.
What about like make it chilly and
I guess we can go to the Playce first right here. The Playce. Get it? The Playce. It's probably nice like at night with all the light. And look at that, it's all made of glass. Want to have gelato? Tommy, you want to have gelato? That's you're only eating like liquid, right? So is that considered liquid? Yes. Oh, we have to go to the Apple store. Oh my God. Because I go to all the Apple stores. They have coffee. You want to have coffee? So I got the gelato, I got the pistachio, hazelnut, and stracciatella. And it's 7 euros. The button. It's recording?
Yes.
Okay. Now Tommy knows how to use the camera. So this is 7 euros.
What flavors are you having?
I got the pistachio, hazelnut, and stracciatella.
Wow.
And you know why I picked those flavors?
Like
I asked ChatGPT.
the best flavors of gelato?
Yeah, like what flavor I should try.
Pistachio is delicious. You should make it affogato. That's an espresso over here.
Oh, affogato.
Affogato.
Affogato, get it.
You want to really try the affogato? You pour some of this on it.
Oh no! Oh hell no! It's gonna melt. The ice cream. No.
Okay, done recording.
Huh?
Done recording.
What?
Done recording.
You're done? Did you stop? So we just finished eating gelato, or I finished gelato, and we had espresso. Yeah. So now I'm full. That was so much gelato. It was only 3 scoops, but it felt like I was eating like a whole gallon of ice cream. I'm so full. My gosh. Anyway, so let's go to the other side of the street. Let's go this way. Or maybe, oh, this is a casino. Huh? Yes, it's a casino. No, that's a casino. I guess. There's Grand Hyatt if you want to stay at a hotel.
What happened?
Oh, there's the Blue Man Group right there. Look at that. Look, this, there's like a waterfall thingy. Let's go to this side, the waterfall side. There's the Blue Man Group. Hey, look at that one. You know what they're doing? Oh, there's like Cinemax. Oh, look at that one. Look at that building right there. That looks cool. Oh, there's more. But I'm gonna see what it is. Okay, so that building right, what? Why does it stop? Why does it stop? So that building right there is the Berlin Philharmonic Concert Hall. It's behind those trees. Can't see it. Look, they have a park in between the road. Hey, Tommy, this way. See the giraffe? That's the Legoland. So on the left is Legoland Discovery, and out front they have the giraffe Lego. Oh, look at the little doggy. Oh, they're doing construction. Wait, I want to take a picture. There's Legoland Discovery Centre. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Oh, look, it's a museum of film. That's a really nice building right there. Okay, now we're at the Potsdamer Platz subway station, and we're going to East Side Gallery, and we have to take 2 trains to get there. It's about 30 minutes.